Rattrap Productions, we teach you how to do stuff. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hang a chandelier. I'm going to replace this lovely chandelier, and you'll see how fast and easy it is. Rattrap Productions, we teach you how to do stuff. First thing you need to do is cut power to the circuit. I'm going to just go ahead and cut this stuff. Let's take these screws out. Now we can make sense of all this wiring. So I'm going to need the ground, I'm going to need the passive, I'm going to need the power. So we're going to hold this up to the box, and then we're going to measure from the bottom of the chandelier to the ground. When you hang a chandelier, it's either, it should be 6 feet from the bottom of the chandelier to the ground, or 3 feet from the table. We're choosing 6 feet from the ground because sometimes we remove the table and walk underneath and it hits us in the head. So at 6 feet, it's not going to do that. So that's how high we want the chandelier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to take this link off. Okay, these links are split. So that's what we're going to have. Then on the bottom here, they put a link here so you can take this off. Alright, so I've removed the chain to make it just easier to get in here. Okay, I'm going to put it right back up there. But this is going to go through the chain first. Weave my power through. That. Okay, good. All right, so this gets screwed on here, and it's going to hold this plate on, so it's a finished look. This goes on this. Okay, we want to put this on first. Okay, put this on. So we're going to weave that through. And we're choosing to put a ceiling medallion on as well. So we're going to put that through. Now we're going to connect this, okay? As that hangs on the ceiling, there's a hole right here where the power can go through. So I'm going to put that through here. Okay, I'm going to pull that. I'm going to attach that link right here. Now we can let it hang. We have it hung. Now we're going to have to strip this wire, and we're going to hook up the power. Attach the ground wire. Oh, I just took that this black sheathing, cut it, stripped it up to there, stripped these wires, ready to go. So this is going to be the ground wire, or this is going to be the ground wire. Green is ground. This is power. This is passive. So in this case, red and black will go together, white and white will go together, and ground and green. Okay, so bada boom bada bing, right here. Wire nut. Now we're going to hook the powers together. Grounds. This is the one that's lashed here. This is the ground from the light. Boom. This is a jumper. That's the first connection. We're going to take the jumper and we're going to attach it. Okay, so this goes through here. This goes up here, tucking it in like so. Then we're going to take this, and that is hooked up. All right, moment of truth. Here we go. Look at that. Ah, everything works good. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to hang a chandelier. One word of caution, if you're going to buy a dimmable version of a chandelier, make sure that the device is rated to be dimmable. Dimmable light bulbs and of course a dimmable switch. You could also set it to just be off and on, in which case you don't have to buy a dimmable chandelier. Looks pretty nice.